Tropical storm satellite image showing the location of the center of tropical storm Auring this Friday, February 19, 2021. Local government units in Eastern Visayas has been asked to prepare for the impact of heavy rainfall to be produced by the weather disturbance Pag-asa. Tacloban City local government units in Eastern Visayas have been asked to prepare for the impact of projected heavy rainfall to be generated by Tropical Storm Auring. In an advisory issued this Friday, the Mines and Geosciences Bureau Regional Office here asked the local authorities and the public to be vigilant and take precautionary measures in the event of landslide and flooding. The Barangay Village Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council are advised to coordinate with their city or municipal to plan for any emergency, including identification of safe and suitable relocation site and evacuation centers. The Office of the Civil Defense Region 8 Information Officer Raiden Cabricas said in a phone interview that the local authorities have been regularly receiving updates on the weather situation. Their operation centers have been monitoring the weather situation in the respective areas to guide them in their decision-making, Cabricas said. In an advisory, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, Pag-asa, identified several rivers in 6 provinces that would likely be affected by the downpour. These water courses are in Sangputan, Palo, Solano, Dagutan, Marabong, Cadacan, Bongkerogon, Salog, Pagbanagaran, Pagsanggahan, and Binahan in Leyte, and Katarman, Bugko, Pambuhan, Katubig, Palapag, Mano, and Gamay in northern Samar. Other affected rivers are in Oras, Dolores, Olot, Tap, Borongon, Suribao, Lorente, Balangiga, and Sulat in eastern Samar. Basi, Silaga, Calbiga, and Hibatan in Samar. Bisay, Himbangan, and Pandan in southern Leyte, and all river systems in Biliran. Ingat po sa mga nakatira malapit sa river.